The garlic and the curry and the salt and pepper. Oh, mwah. Fantastic. Along with the avocado oil. It's such a great taste. Yeah. We're waiting last minute to see what the bugs are going to do. The breeze kind of went down a little bit. We hate knocking them out of our eyes and ears and everything else, so we may just cook here and then move inside. We'll know in a minute or three. Let the last of the fuel in the line get used up. These bad boys are ready. Oh yeah, baby. Delicioso. Delicioso. We will not eat in front of you. Get that moth out of there. Sheesh. It's done it for 1 second and a moth moved in on it. Gosh. We will not eat in front of you. We're going to eat in the van to keep away from the bugs. And we'll see you later. Well, it's chore day. Right here, we have the water bags out on the table. Hopefully get some heat in here because they're kind of cold. And I've got the bike rack out. I've used some bungee cords to kind of tighten this so it's not so flappy in the wind. Got them around it. There's a pedal here. Covered up the gears as best as I could from dirt and gunk getting in there. I mentioned before, these here give this a little bit of more contact, so when it's pushing down it'll hold it together better. It looks a little twisted. The main thing was that this part of the bike is clear from here on over, and the same on the other side. So when the bike is closed, the rack is closed, we have access to the tail lights, so people can see the brake lights when we brake. We usually don't drive at night, so it's daytime issue, more or less. So that kind of helps out. But the idea is to keep the bikes covered, clean as possible, and also keeps people from being able to think about hopefully wanting to take them. Keep that, make it look as difficult as possible. And if that can be done, then that helps us. So when we look at the back here, you can see the bikes were in here, under here, and they took up a lot of space to the left and to the right, and we had all the other stuff packed up in the middle. Now that opens it up quite a lot. That allows us to take some unnecessary stuff and put it back here, and take some really unnecessary stuff and huck it. Right now, happy. We got some space, we got some maneuvering around. Everything looks good. This is our cleanup day. Get stuff done. And up front, what do we have going on up here?
Hi.
So what's going on up here? I did the cleanup with the back, still working it out. What are you doing in the front here? What's your game?
I got projects.
Like?
I'm sewing my pillow.
Dead pillowcase?
This is sewing.
Yeah.
I've got my nuts and seeds and dates here.
And?
I'm going to do a couple of cards over here.
And what? Couple of cards?
Yeah, a couple of cards.
Like what kind of cards? Got an example?
I got the pens out. Pencils, watercolors.
So you make like cards for people?
Yeah, like birthdays.
Okay, family.
Celebrations.
Family and stuff.
Your friends.
People.
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Artsy stuff.
Yeah. And then, and then garlic for later, possibly.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, crap. Listen to some weird ass music there.
You couldn't hear what it was.
Oh, I heard it all right.
You couldn't name it.
Down here we have the, I don't know what this area is called. What's this area called?
This is the necessities of every day in the door.
Door necessities.
Yeah. And then
sure.
I got water bottles from our bike ride, some juice, snackies.
Now this stuff gets moved out of the way when we're traveling though, right? It's not just stuffed under your feet, stepped on and crushed about and everything, is it?
No.
No what? No it stays or no it goes? Which one?
It depends.
Oh my God.
It depends. And then I've got, books along the side.
Okay.
Yeah.
People are going to see
The true me.
the true you.
The true me
The
traveling.
true you. The traveler you.
Yeah. Well,
All right, just want to make sure.
Yeah.
No, most of that stuff we don't leave down there though.
No. No, it's smashable.
You don't sound like you're convincing me much. So that's it. Today is chore day, doing lots of little things. It's high wind, it's a little chilly.
Yeah.
We don't really want to go for a bike ride till it warms up a smidge, but not if the wind's at 25 miles an hour and sand blowing in your face. So
Well, they said it was supposed to come later in the afternoon, so we thought we had this morning, but it's already here.
it's already starting up. So that's it. That's what we're up to. We got lots of little projects, artsy, organization, cleaning uppy, and strategizing for a bike ride today. Hopefully, that would be great. So I'll give you a quick once through here. We got some extra tools in here. Got a pile of tools down in here as well. We got the extended ladder if I need to get on the roof. Then clean off the solar panels. We got some bike tools up in here that are mostly geared towards the bikes. We got some electric blankets in case when the bikes were in here, if we needed to heat up the lithium batteries. So it didn't get too cold on them, but that never happened. So they're just extra blankets now. We have 10 gallons of extra water in there and some extra bike stuff in here, an extra tent, some tape, a few other little odds and ends. We have some shower stuff in this bucket, which is good. Extra tarp, 2 battery chargers for the e-bikes, some extra paper towels, some sneakers I got in here, a towel here. The battery components we have right here. This is the expansion battery, and that's the Blue Eddy charging generator, solar generator. Some extra bags up here. And then here we have the bike pump. I have a little bit of art supplies here, believe it or not, in this here thing here. And then of course we have inside here we have stovepipe, which is if we do ever need to hook up the wood stove, which is inside the box. And that pretty much gives you a breakdown of our messy little thing as we're trying to organize it a little bit better. It's always a process of test, and retest. See what wiggles, moves, makes noise, and how it can be done a little bit more refined each day. Sometimes it's a bit of an annoyance, but other times it's like an aha moment and you go, yes, I finally conquered that noise. And that's where we are today, conquering noises. Not sure. It just is what it is. So here we are outside of Spicer Ranch, and they got this wild looking sculpture out here, and we wanted to share it. It looks like a weird beetle bug thingy thing. So here it is. It's super cool, but super unusual too.
Neat.
They were wild looking. We don't know what it is, but it is cool.
Oh, it's got the creature on the left.
There you go. Creature on the left on the bottom, unicorn on the right, a couple mountain bikes. Oh yeah. Home of SNRG.
Just done last year.
Cool. Red-headed duck. Certain about that. So here we are, Spicer Ranch. Just went for a ride with the bikes. Now we're chillaxing. Fantastic. So right here, we got us some water. Oh yeah. water. Behind me is the showers and the restroom back there. And that's it. Some picnic tables over that way, a little smidge. So we're just really enjoying the peace and quiet. A little bit of traffic in the distance. It is nice to just lay on grass with your feet in cold water. Wow, this is sort of nice. We didn't film the bike ride because my eye is already depth perception challenged a little bit. So on the bike where we hit the trails, it was a little bit, I had to keep an eye out. Pardon the pun. And he's getting used to hers. So we just worked around skills around the area, balancing and shifting and different stuff. Yeah, we just did a little bit around the area just to kind of wake ourselves back up to pedaling. It was great. Now we're just chilling. Oh yes. Nothing like dirty water on your feet. Oh, there's duck guy. Oh yeah, look at the little duck guy. There he is. The duck. Doing duck stuff at a duck time, in a duck way, as all ducks would. That's why he's ducky.